Yeah, sorry, guys. Okay. So, okay, if you have 32 GB RAM, okay, you take 5 machines, okay, and okay, each machine you should give 4 GB, 6 GB, 6 GB, 6 GB, 6 GB. Okay, if you have 64 GB RAM, okay, you give 6 GB for this one and 13 GB, 13 GB for these things actually. Understood, guys? Okay, are any questions? Are any questions? Are, okay, can we go with okay, 12 GB each? No, 10 GB each. Can we go like that? 10 GB each? Then okay, you'll have 5 machines actually. Okay, 5 machines is better, 4 machines are better. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go with the 4 machines only. Okay, so I have 64 GB, right? Okay, I'll go with the 4 machines only. Okay, 4 plus 1. Okay, 1 UI machine and remaining 4 are Hadoop nodes. Okay, so fine. Okay, first thing is okay, setting up passwordless SSH. Okay, so what I have done now, I cloned, guys. I cloned the base VM. Okay, total I have taken 5 machines actually. Okay, so these are the 5 machines: CMG, CN1, CN2, CN3, CN4. The cloning, okay, I've already done, and okay, I've given it here actually. Okay, so now, okay, so now if I see, if I open this one, where is Cloudera? CMG, CN1, CN2, CN3, CN4. Okay, yes, all 4 are up and running now. Okay, the very first thing what I need to do, I need to set up passwordless SSH for Hadoop cluster installation. Okay, so now I am setting up the passwordless SSH from Cloudera Manager node to other machines. Okay, so from Cloudera Manager node to other machines, I can log in without any password. Okay, in Cloudera Manager node, okay, so I'm setting up the clutch commands also. Okay, so if you see clutch here, okay, so Cloudera Manager is running on 111 machine. Name nodes running are 112 and 113. Resource managers will be running on 112 and 113. Zookeepers will be running on 112, 113, 114. Okay. Journal nodes 112, 113, 114. Data nodes 113, 114, 115. Hadoop nodes, these 4 nodes, and okay, all nodes in 5 nodes. Okay. So this is what I have given. Okay. So now luckily all are having same date time, but however, okay, we need to set up the time server. So here in this scenario, what I'm doing, okay, instead of taking name node time as the main time, I will give access. UI machine, let it connect to internet. Other machines, let it connect to UI machine. Okay, let them connect to UI machine. Okay, so in all the machines, okay, I'm just saying this one. Okay, so now, okay, now if you see the UI machine, okay, 111 is the UI machine. Okay, that is connecting to internet and getting the time from internet, and okay, the remaining 4 machines like 112, 113, 114, 115, they are taking time from 111 machine. Okay, so in real time they will use okay, different time servers, but okay, so here okay, we can use this one, what to say, uh
Manager.
Cloudera Manager UI machine as this one. Okay, so now once it is done, okay, just restart the services, restart the NTPD services.
Sir, in future, if we face any NTP's issue, we can use this, right, sir?
Of course, yes. Okay, you can use this document, sir.
Sync command, sync command.
Yeah, yes.
Where is that sync command, sir? Is that among those 3 are there?
Which one?
Sync command, sir, to sync the time.
This is the one, NTP date. This is the time. This is the command, sync command.
Okay.
Got it. NTP date means okay, it will update the date, okay, with the correct date. Got it. So this is the last command what I executed. This is the one. Okay. When I execute this command, what it is doing, it is adjusting the date time.
Yes.
See? Understood? Is it adjusting or not?
Yes, sir. It is following the human.
Exactly. Okay. So now just restart the network, okay, and NTPD once again. So now, okay, so I have done the basic setup. Basic setup means okay, created passwordless SSH, updated the class groups, and set up the NTP server. Okay, so okay, now my servers are ready. So first, okay, so there are few services which needs to be enabled and disabled actually. Okay, so okay, these are some services. So okay, I'm disabling firewall in all the machines. Okay, I'm disabling RPC bind NFS. Okay, and I'm enabling HTTPD, NTPD, NTPD, these services actually. Okay, so this is what I have done. Okay, now, okay, so if you see, okay, what is there inside the RPMs actually. Okay, so you can go with this one, not a problem. Okay, let it be there. Okay, so this step, okay, we can ignore for now. Okay, we will see. Okay, so now I'm creating the, okay, so what I've done now, okay, I have downloaded the, okay, so these were the location of, okay, the Cloudera software actually. Okay, but okay, so actually what I've done, I've already downloaded and I kept it here. Okay, so this is Cloudera 6.1.1. Okay, so these are the softwares which we need to download. Okay, but however, what I will do now, I will upload these softwares. Since you cannot download these softwares from internet now, I will upload these softwares to Google Drive. From Google Drive, you download it. Okay, and practice it, guys, because okay, Cloudera Hortonworks are very important. Okay, you should practice this. You should install and you should practice. Okay, so I will upload these softwares and I'll share the Google Drive link. Okay, so these are the softwares which I downloaded long back. Okay, now what I've done using WinSCP, I've copied this one to where www HTML location. Okay, inside Cloudera Manager. So there is a directory which is called Cloudera CDH 6.1.1. Okay, so now if you see, it did not copy properly. Correct or not? See, all are 000 files. Okay, looks like some issue. Okay, so we need to copy once again. Nothing copied properly. So now I'm copying again, guys. Please bear with me. So I'm copying all the softwares in the UI machine. Okay, so even in Apache Hadoop, Apache 3x also, I copied softwares in first node, and from there, okay, we distributed to other nodes. Here also it is the same case. Okay, we are copying all the softwares into one machine. Okay, like the UI machine. So when I'm installing, the UI machine will push all the softwares to rest of the machines actually. Okay, so now all are successfully copied. Yes. Okay, now if you see, yes, all the files are successfully copied now. Okay, so what I need to do now? Okay, I need to create a, after downloading. Okay, so we need to create a local repository. What do you mean of local repository? Okay, so okay, so this is the local repository what I am creating now. Okay, so this is the local repository. So what is local repository and what is what I can say, what is public repository, guys? When I say public repository, your softwares will be downloaded from internet. Okay, when I say local repository, your software will be downloaded from the machine where you created the local repository. Okay, and this is the command you will use to create the repo. Okay, so local repository is created. Okay, now I need to create the repo file. Okay, so just click on repo file. Okay, and give this one, give this content actually. Okay, so here my local repository for Cloudera Hadoop, and what is the location? So is this internet location or okay, our server location, our server location? Okay, so this is the location what I have given. Okay, the repo file I have created, and now yum clean all. I'm just doing yum clean all. So I'm asking list Cloudera Manager server. Okay, so in which repo it is there? Yes, it is there in Cloudera CDH 6.1.1 repo. Okay, now guys, okay, what I'm installing. So let me put this picture also here. Where is this Excel? Okay, so now, okay, let me put here. Okay, so cn1.hadoop.cn1. Okay, cn2. Okay, cn3. Okay, cn4. Okay, these are the 4 Hadoop nodes I have taken. Okay, Hadoop nodes I have taken, And okay, here I have taken CMG. CMG is the .cmg is the machine here, okay, which I have taken. Okay, so like this, the total 5 machines I have taken now. Okay, total 5 machines I have taken. Yeah, total 5 machines I have taken. This is CMG and CN1, CN2, CN3, CN4. Okay, so inside this one, okay, I copied the Cloudera software using WinSCP. Okay, I copied the software. Okay, this it is okay. So now, and I created the local repository also. Okay, on top of this software, created the local repository. And okay, so before installing Cloudera Manager server, before installing the software, okay, I told that I need to set up a database actually. Okay, so I told, okay, the Cloudera Manager will use a backend RDBMS. Okay, so we need to set up this RDBMS now. Okay, so to set up the Cloudera Manager backend RDBMS, what do you need to do? You need to start the MySQL first. Okay, so anyway, on this machine, okay, we have already installed MySQL. Okay, so now I'm starting MySQL. Okay, so MySQL started and it is running. Okay, and now log into MySQL using your username password. This is the MySQL password. Okay, now you created some of the databases, guys. Okay, can you see how many databases I am creating? Okay, see EMON, HMON, RMAN, okay, SMON. Okay, so you may ask, sir, what are these databases? Okay, these are the default databases where Cloudera will use to store some of the data. Okay, data means not actual data, so information about your services. Okay, okay, so these are the different databases which we need to create. I'm taking all those things and I'm just creating everything, and I created. Okay, so now if I see show databases, okay, now these are the different databases: EMON, HMON, Q, Metastar, MySQL, NavMS, okay, Woozy, okay, Ranger, RMAN, okay, Sentry, SMAN. Okay, so total how many databases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 databases I created. 11 databases I created, but is there anything inside the database? I just created the database, no tables, nothing inside this one. The tables and all will be created automatically by Cloudera during the execution. Okay, so these one, okay, we created. Now create the schema for SCM. Okay, what is the schema? Hey, no. Shit. I missed one step here, guys. So I completed this step, but I didn't complete this step. Okay, so I need to complete this step first. So I'm installing Cloudera Manager server, guys. I'm installing Cloudera Manager server. Okay, it means, okay, this step, okay, Cloudera Manager server, okay, I'm installing now. Cloudera Manager server I am installing. So after completion of this step, okay, you will see Cloudera Manager UI, server is UI is installed. Okay, this is what which I am doing now. Okay, it is happening.
Sir, how we get that database information, sir?
You have to create, sir. Okay, how you get means?
Means you got you have created 11 databases, right?
Okay. Those databases only. Okay, how you get means? Okay, I have taken that from Cloudera website only. Okay.
Sir, in real time also the same database?
Yes, sir. Same databases they will use in real time also.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, say you can use same database, or okay, you may change it also, not a problem. Okay, end of the day, whatever database name you created, you should give in the configuration file, same name in the configuration file.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, got it, sir.
See, now I created, say, Cloudera told me to create, okay, these databases, the database name with EMON. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
I'm using, okay, I'm following the same Cloudera standards. Okay, but okay, if I don't like EMON name, okay, probably I will create a activity monitor. Okay, I'll create a database like activity monitor. Okay, in the Cloudera configuration file, I'll give the same database name.
Okay, sir.
It will connect. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Cloudera Manager Server is installed, guys. Now this is installed. Okay, this is installed. Let me make it green here. Okay, this is installed. Manager Server is installed. Okay, after that, okay, so we completed this setup also. It means, okay, database setup also completed. Database setup also completed. Okay, but okay, see, my database is separate, my server is separate. Okay, so software is separate. Okay, is there any link? Even though these two are running in the same machine, is there any link created between these two?
No, sir.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so we need to create a link between these two. So we need to tell Cloudera Manager Server, hey, Cloudera Manager Server, this is your backend RDBMS. Use this one to store all the information. Understood? Okay, so we need to create a link between these two. So if we want to see the link, okay, so Cloudera Manager UI, okay, will look at one file. Okay, what is the file? This is the file actually. Okay, so db.properties. This is the file where it will check actually what is to understand what is my db. It will check this one. Okay, what is the db here? Is there any db? Okay, nothing is mentioned here. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm executing a command actually. Okay, so with prepared scm prepare database.sh, this is the script file I'm giving, and here I'm clearly telling that, okay, what is the backend RDBMS? It is MySQL. Okay, what is the where it is running? Okay, what is the username, password? Okay, so then, okay, what are the databases? Okay, all those things I'm giving. Okay, so after giving this information, now it is saying that, okay, your scm database is configured correctly. Now you cat this one. What is the information you have? You have this information. Okay, your database type is MySQL. Okay, your host name is this one, database name is this one, username is this one. Okay, password is 123. Okay, so it is giving all this information now. Okay, so now the link also created. So now link also ready between these two. Link also got created. Okay, so now the UI knows that, okay, what is the backend database. Okay, now when everything is done, can I start the UI? Huh? I can start the UI actually. Okay, so I'm starting the enable. Okay, these are the commands to start the UI. Okay, sir, you may ask me a question. Okay, sir, okay, you told, okay, everything is UI based. Okay, uh, but okay, we are still working on command line. Yes, okay. See, to install this one, to set up RDBMS, create the link. Okay, all these things are command line. Okay, so this machine you have to set up in the command line only. Okay, so now I started the service. Okay, so now where this service will write the logs tomorrow, okay, let's say your Cloudera manager is not running. Okay, this is the location of your log file actually. Okay, where log Cloudera manager scm server, Cloudera manager scm server.log, this is the location. So where you will have your logs actually. Okay, so if you open and see this one, you will understand, okay, what is the problem. Tomorrow if your UI is not working, you need to check in this log why it is not working. Okay, and again, okay, where is this log? This log is on CMG machine, this one. Okay, the log location I can put it here actually. Okay, server.log, this is the log, okay, which will be created in this machine only. Okay, you need to check in this log. Okay, you need to check in this log why this UI is not started. Okay, so now when the UI started, okay, it will give you a message saying that, okay, started Jetty server. Okay, if you see there is a message started Jetty server, it means, okay, your UI is started successfully. Okay, if you don't see this message, okay, when the log printing is stopped, and if you don't see this message, okay, started Jetty server, it means, okay, there is some issue with your Cloudera manager installation. Okay, so but here, okay, it is successfully installed. Now what I will do, okay, so successfully installed and started these services also. Okay, now what I will do, I will log into this UI. Okay, this is the location. So in this machine, 111 machine, it is working, and the port number is 7180. Okay, so now, okay, I'll open 7180. Now you see, guys, there is a UI started, right? It is asking me for username and password. Okay, so the default username and passwords are admin and admin. Okay, admin and admin. Okay, so you can see this is the welcome screen from Cloudera manager. Okay, and it is clearly saying that, okay, we are going to install Cloudera 6.1.1. Okay, if you want to understand what are the release notes, what are the new features in this 6.11, okay, you can click on this one. So if you click on this one, this will tell you. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so looks like, okay, they have not enabled this one. Okay, so this is the welcome screen actually. Okay, so now here guys, okay, I've given screenshot for each and every page how to install actually. Give username and password as admin and admin. Okay, this is the first screen. Okay, then so then come down, click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking, okay, so end user license terms and conditions. Okay, so yes, I accept. Click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking, okay, so I told you, right, which one you want to install, Cloudera Express or Enterprise trial version or Enterprise. So if you see Cloudera, so these are all available options, different features available. How many are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 features available actually. Okay, so 8 features are available, but okay, if I see Cloudera Express, how many are available? Only 4. Okay, in case of Cloudera Enterprise trial version of 60 days. So here, okay, the trial version will work for 60 days. Okay, trial version is having 6 features and full version is having all 8 features. Understand? Okay, so if you want to install free version, you select free version, or if you want to install trial version, okay, you can select this one. If you want to install full version, okay, so if you want to install full version, you need to upload the license file. Okay, who will give the license file? Cloudera will give the license file. Okay, you need to contact Cloudera and get the license file. You need to pay money and get the license file. Okay, but anyway, okay, we are not going to install a full version. We are going to install a 60 days trial version, which has more features. Okay, so click on continue. Okay, so we'll see what it is doing. Okay, so now click on continue. Okay, so setup. Okay, these are all okay. Just click on continue. Okay, so now this is the screen where it is asking, okay, you want to install Hadoop cluster, right? Fine, I understand. Okay, tell me, okay, which are the nodes you want to install? Okay, so which are the nodes we want to install? Hadoop, these nodes, correct or not? Sir, which are the nodes I need to install Hadoop? CN1, CN2, CN3, CN4, these machines. Okay, you give those names actually. Okay, so you can give the names or you can give the IP addresses also. Okay, anything you can give. Okay, you can give full name or IP address also. Okay, so now 192.168.56.112, okay, 113, 114, 115, 113, 114, and 115. Okay, so these are the places where I want to install my Hadoop actually. Okay, yes sir, can I give this node also in this place? Okay, suppose okay, if you have less load, less machines, okay, can I give this machine also one of the machine? Yes. Okay, so in that case, okay, this machine will run UI as well as other Hadoop services also. Okay, but usually they'll give okay separately in real time also. Okay, 115, click on search. Yeah, okay, now we are able to say, I mean, okay, Cloudera Manager UI is able to find out these servers, and okay, so click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking, okay, you want to install Hadoop. Okay, tell me where Hadoop software is available. Okay, so repository location. Okay, there are two options: public Cloudera repository. If you select public Cloudera repository, okay, then it will download your software from internet and it will install. Okay, but okay, as I told you, okay, till December 31st, okay, this option was working. Okay, but now this option is not working because they made it like pay I mean paid service actually. Okay, it means okay, you need to make the payment and you need to get the access to these public repositories, otherwise it will not work. Got it? So, but anyway, okay, we have already downloaded all the softwares, right? Let us go with the custom repository. Okay, so what is the custom repository? Where our softwares are available. Okay, where our softwares are available. This is the location where our softwares are available. Correct or not? Huh? 100.160.56.111. What is this 111 machine? cmg.hadoop.com. This is the location. Inside this one, these softwares are available. Okay, and CDH and other softwares. Okay, here you click on more options. This is what I have told guys here clearly. Okay, so when you come to this screen, okay, after giving this one, so after giving this one here, okay, click on more options. Where is click on more options. Click on more options. When you click on more options, okay, you will get this screen. So here you delete, okay, delete all the existing remote parcel directory URLs, okay, and new, and add new under new one under the same, and click save changes. So under, okay, remote parcel directories, okay, whatever you have, okay, delete everything, minus 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 minus, okay, and plus, okay, so give the, okay, remote parcel directory URLs, okay, you can give this location, okay, save changes. Okay, now when I click on save changes, can you see this one? It is able to identify, okay, it is saying that, okay, in the location what I have given, there is a software which is called CDH 6.1.1, okay, 8725. Is it the same thing, guys? 8725 250 875250. Is it the same thing? 875250. Okay, it is able to understand. Okay, so here, guys, okay, there are two things which we need to understand in Cloudera. Okay, so in Cloudera we have a UI software, Cloudera UI software. Okay, and okay, here you have Cloudera Hadoop software. What is UI software? What is Hadoop software? UI software, okay, you will install on UI machine. Okay, Cloudera Hadoop software you will install on Hadoop machine. These nodes. Understood? Okay, so now UI software version. Okay, okay. So for every software there will be some version, right? Okay, the software version which we are installing is 6.1.1. 6.1.1. Okay, so Hadoop software version is again, okay, 6.1.1, but inside this this is called as, okay, Cloudera Manager UI software. This is called as Cloudera distribution of Hadoop software. This is CM software. This is CDH software. Okay, so CM software means UI software. CDH software means Hadoop software. Okay, so both versions are same. Okay, inside this one again, okay, you will have SDFS, EON, okay, so Scoop, okay, like this. Okay, so as I told you earlier, okay, Hadoop is a combination of multiple tools, right? Okay, Scoop, okay, Pig, Hive, okay, like this. Okay, under this one, okay, these are the different softwares will be available. Again, okay, each software may be having some different version, 3.0.0, okay, 0, okay, Yarn maybe 3.0.0, okay, okay, and Scoop 1.4.5, okay, Pig, okay, 0.16.1, okay, Hive 2.0.1, okay, so like this. Okay, so every software, okay, will have a separate version actually. Okay, so this is like, okay, individual software and individual software version, but as a whole, this is as a group, okay, this is the group, okay, this is the version. You understood, guys? Now, so CM software means, okay, UI software. CDH software means Hadoop software. Okay, Hadoop software means Hadoop software will be combination of multiple tools. Okay, so each tool will be having separate version here. Okay, now CM software is already installed. CM software is already installed. Okay, now we are going to install CDH software. Okay, so now this is, okay, all the CDH softwares, all these things will be coming like a parcel. When I say parcel, it is a combination of multiple tools. Okay, now it is able to identify the parcel also. Okay, click on continue. Okay, now it is asking, okay, so accept JDK license. Do you want to install Java separately? No. Okay, because it is already installed. Okay, don't select this one. Click on continue. Okay, now it is asking, okay, we understand that. Okay, we need to install Hadoop on all these machines. Okay, tell me how to log into these machines and, okay, and install the software. Okay, now you are saying that, okay, log into all hosts using a username which is called HTTP user, and okay, this HTTP user follow the same password. All hosts accept same password. What is the password? Welcome one we have given. Okay, welcome one. Okay, so we are telling that okay, use HTTP user to install Hadoop software. Okay, click on continue. Okay, so now what it started? It started doing something. Okay, it is installing. What it is installing? Cloudera Manager agent it is installing. Okay, see, as of now these 4 machines are not having anything. Okay, just OS is running on these machines and prerequisites are done. Okay, now as a first thing, the UI is installing Cloudera Manager agent software. Okay, inside this machine. Understood? It is installing Cloudera Manager agent software in this machine. Understood? Cloudera Manager agent is getting installed now in all the machines. Okay, guys. Okay, say while installing, okay, you may be facing some issues also. Okay, if you face, okay, suppose, okay, in one machine, okay, Cloudera Manager agent is not installed. If you click on details, okay, you will understand in the background, okay, what is the problem, why the installation is failed. Okay, all that information you will understand from here itself. Understand? Okay, you can check from the details tab itself. You no need to go to command line and check for the logs and all. Okay, that is the beauty of UI. So from UI itself, okay, anything you can see. Okay, so now it is installing agent in each and every machine first as a first step. See, only thing what we need to do, we need to do some proper settings, guys, in the UI. If you do proper settings, okay, it will do rest of the work for us. You no need to struggle like, okay, Apache Hadoop installation.
It gives a error notification, right, Anna?
Of course, yes. Okay, if something failed, okay, it will show the error also. It will throw error here itself, and you can see the error here itself actually.
Yep.
Okay, and one more thing, guys. Okay, so when you are planning to install Cloudera, okay, you make sure that okay, you are doing from starting to ending at one stretch. Okay, you cannot stop in between. You understand my point?
Yeah.
Okay, you cannot stop. Okay, you cannot install half of the software now and half of the software later. No, okay, you take 1 hour or 2 hours time. Okay, you start now, okay, and okay, you complete it. So it means okay, the agent is installed. Yeah, agent is installed 3 machines. Okay, 1 machine is still running. Yeah, this is also looks like almost completed. Yeah. So if you see, so agent is installed in each and every machine. Okay, I'm making it green. Agent is installed. Clear? Okay, so now what it is doing next? Okay, so we have Cloudera Hadoop software here, right? It is copying this software to each and every machine. Who is copying? UI. UI is copying this Cloudera software from this machine to this machine. So Cloudera software copying is happening in each and every machine. Okay, but in case of Apache Hadoop, okay, we did it manually. We did this Hadoop software. We did manually. Okay, so it is downloading the software from here from this machine, and it is copying to all other machines. Okay, so it is distributing to all 4 machines. Yeah, we will see. Yeah, it is distributing.
One doubt.
Yeah. Tell me, sir. Tell me.
IP address you have set up, right? Like 112, 113. Like,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have set up the IP addresses on base VM. Because
Okay.
I do remember for the.
Yeah. It is there in the base VM, right? No,
Yeah.
no. Okay. See, VI. Okay. Sorry, etc host, right? etc host file. Okay. So can you see this one? These are the nodes.
Okay,
What I'm using.
Yeah,
I already added in the base VM itself. I already added it. Okay. In the base VM, I already added it. Okay. What I've done. Okay. I cloned 5 machines actually from base VM. I cloned 5 machines. I started all the 5 machines and I ran the script actually. What script?
Okay.
Host setup script. Okay. So then, okay, it changed the IP address for each machine. Okay. That work I've done yesterday itself, guys. Yesterday night itself. Okay. Yeah, because I don't want to waste time. Okay, because installation will take a lot of time. That is the reason. So it is distributed, almost done. It means okay, it is copied to Cloudera software has been copied to all other machines. This work is done. Okay. Then unpacking. What do you mean of unpacking? So even okay, there also we unzipped it, right? So there was a Hadoop software tar.gz. Okay, so then we unzipped it into our own location. Here also it is doing into its own location. Okay, so it is unzipping the software, Hadoop software, what it downloaded from UI machine. Okay, so yeah, unpacking also done. Okay, then it is activating. It means creating the shortcuts and all. Yes. Okay, so it activated also. Okay, so it means okay, Hadoop software is okay installed also. Installation also completed. Yes or no? Copied and installed also. Okay, installed and okay, it created the soft links, everything. Created the soft links, everything actually. Okay, so now click on continue. Okay, so now it is doing the host, inspecting the host actually. Okay, what do you mean of inspecting the host? It is checking each and every server whether we followed the standards or not. What do you mean of standards? Disable IPv6, disable firewall. Okay, set up the sleep mode off. Okay, transparent THP. Okay, all those things. See here, it is doing okay. Inspector run all nodes. Okay, so host name correctly, no errors found. Okay, looking for the conflicting steps. Okay, no errors. Okay, so it is doing okay each and every step actually. It is doing so many checks. Okay, but one check it has some warnings actually. Okay, so okay, in all the nodes. Okay, so it is saying that okay, the PostgreSQL version is not up to date. That's what it is saying. But anyway, we are not going to use PostgreSQL, so we can ignore this error. Okay, so it is not compatible, is not RHL6 compatible. Okay, so it is saying that okay, the following version has incompatible version of 2.5.1. okay, so should be latest version. Okay, that's what it is saying. Okay, so that's not a problem. No, that's not a problem. Okay, so if you want, okay, we can, anyway it is warning, right? It is warning, so we can take this warning and okay, we can resolve it okay, later also. Okay, I'll see. Okay, why that warning is coming. Okay, only thing is that we installed 2.5.1, but it is expecting 2.5.4. That's the only difference actually. Okay, so apart from that one, okay, so now these are the different softwares. Okay, so I told you, right, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so here Hadoop software, Cloudera Hadoop software is coming like a bundle. Okay, inside this bundle, what are the softwares we have? These are the ones: supervisor D, okay, agent, okay, daemons, okay, flume, okay, Hadoop, HDFS, HDFS, okay. But if you see MapReduce, Yarn, okay, so this is the version 3.0.0 HBase, okay, Hive catalog, Hue, Impala, Java, okay. See like this, okay, Kafka, Kite, okay, Kudu, okay, Uzi, Parquet, Pig, okay. So these are all different softwares. Zookeeper, all those things, okay. There are nearly 30 plus softwares actually. 30 plus softwares together, we are calling it like a CDH. Okay, so click on finish. Okay, so the softwares are installed here, but now we need to enable the services actually. Okay, so now select the services, what service you want to run on which machine. Okay, just click on custom services. When you go to custom services, what do you want to install? You want to install, as of now, okay, so even though we have these many softwares, first let us install HDFS. Okay, then let us install Yarn, and then okay, Zookeeper. Let us install these three things, guys. Understand? HDFS, Yarn, and Zookeeper. Click on continue. Okay, so we decided to install HDFS, Yarn, and Zookeeper. Okay, when I say HDFS, inside HDFS, what are the different services you will have? Name node, secondary name node, like this actually. Okay, so name node. Okay, we thought to, okay, so name node and secondary name node in this machine. Okay, and balancer you can ignore. HTTPFS also ignore, NFS also ignore, and data nodes. Which are the data nodes? Okay, So these three are the data nodes. Okay, these three are the data nodes. Okay, then okay, when it comes to yarn, I will talk about this one. Okay, yarn. Okay, so where is the resource manager you want to run? On CN1. Okay, where you want to run job history server? On CN1. Okay, where you want to run node manager, same as data node, wherever data nodes, whatever data nodes you selected, same as those data nodes. And zookeeper, how many zookeepers they have selected? Only one. Okay, if you want to select more, you can select more. Okay, so these three are the zookeepers. Okay, the same thing we have given. What is zookeeper? 112, 13, 14. Okay, yeah, correct. So these three are the zookeepers. Okay, so this is what I've selected, guys. Okay, what I've done now. Okay, so ZK1 here, ZK2, sorry. So ZK1, okay, ZK2, okay, and ZK3. I selected like this. Then, okay, what else? RM1. Okay, no. Okay, ZK1. Okay, then name node 1. Okay, secondary name node. So name node, secondary name node. Okay, then data nodes. Where are the data nodes? DN1. Okay, DN2, DN3. Okay, then okay, RM. So RM here. Okay, job history server here. Okay, then okay, so these are the NMs. Okay, NM1. Okay, NM2. Okay, and NM3. Okay, 3 NMs. Okay, we selected. So these are the services we selected, guys, as of now. Understand? Or any questions?
Yeah.
This is what I told. Okay, see, I want these services to run on these machines. That is what I selected. Okay, but there is something new which you have not seen so far is Cloudera management service. Okay, as of now you don't know what is management service. Okay, do one thing. Okay, you select okay, one in one machine. Okay, so first one, activity monitor. Okay, second machine. Okay, then host monitor, third machine. Okay, this is fourth machine. Okay, this is fifth machine. Again, first machine. Okay, again this is second machine. Okay, like this you select one. Okay, don't select telemetry publisher, not a problem. Okay, guys, I will explain what is this management service later stages. Okay, so now I have selected my services. Okay, so service monitor. Okay, so here
Sir, here
service
one resource manager is enough, sir.
sorry,
Resource manager.
only one. Okay, one name node, one resource manager as of now. Okay, we will enable high availability later. See, even okay, when you are learning okay, Hadoop 3x, okay, and the first time itself we enabled all name nodes, or okay, first initially we started with one name node and okay, one secondary name node.
One name node and one secondary.
Here also it is the same case. Okay, so here also Cloudera also will start with one name node and one secondary name node. Later, if you want to enable high availability, you need to enable. Okay, so service monitor. Okay, activity monitor. Okay, then host monitor. Then report manager. Then event server. Then alert publisher. Okay, so this is how. Okay, so you selected. Okay, so you make sure the services are distributed across all the nodes, guys. So now this is how you selected all these things and click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking for the databases. Okay, you remember okay, we created database activity monitor. Okay, in CMG machine, we created database name like EMON is the database. Okay, username EMON, password also EMON123. Okay, so for this one also database is this one, and okay, RMAN is the database name. So guys, okay, you asked me right. Okay, so okay, so show databases. Okay, so now EMON is the database we created, RMAN is the database. Okay, those things only I'm giving it here. RMAN123. Okay, show password, test connection.
Passwords are those already created by before?
Sir, okay, if you see this one, okay, password is also created. Can you see this one? When you are doing this one, Okay, see here,
Yes,
EMON.
yes.
For
Okay.
EMON, okay, we have given EMON 1, 2, 3. Whatever password
Previously,
you
I
have
was
given.
checking for it. I couldn't find that.
Yeah.
That's the
Okay,
reason
so
I asked.
whatever the password you have given here, you should give same password there also. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So it is successful. Click on continue.
Or is
Okay.
there any chance to use multiple databases for single?
You can
server?
use, sir. Yes, of course. Yes. You can use RMAN separate database and okay, report manage. Okay, EMON separate database.
Not like MySQL and Postgres.
Of course, yes. Okay, so if you see this one, okay, it supports okay multiple databases. It supports okay MySQL or Postgres or Oracle, whichever you want, you can use. Not a problem.
For Scoop one database for Hive one.
Yes. You can. Okay. So now it is asking what is the block size you want? 128 MB. Okay. So where the data node directories you want to have? MNT disk 1 data, MNT disk 2 data, MNT disk 3 data. Yes or no? These are the data node directories.
Edge node is not required, sir. Edge node.
Sorry?
Edge node.
Sir, okay. See, we need edge node also, right? But okay, so since we don't have so many servers, okay, I didn't go with edge node. Okay. I didn't go with edge node. Okay, but in real time, you will have one more server, maybe CN5. CN5, okay, as edge node. You will not be having any of these services here in real time. Okay, it may be the case. Understood? This one we call it as edge node. So I can create one more VM, sir. Okay, because I have 64 GB RAM. But okay, for practicing, okay, you don't have. Do you have 64 GB laptop? That is a problem. Okay, in real time, you will be having a separate machine like this. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, okay, this is the MNT disk 1 data, disk 2 data, and what are the name node directories? MNT disk 1 name, MNT disk 2 name. Okay, and what is the secondary name node? MNT disk 1 SNN. Okay, and okay, what is the zookeeper location? Okay, so data directory. Okay, MNT disk 1, sorry, disk 3 ZK data. Okay, transaction log directory also MNT disk 3 ZK data. See here, okay, we are giving all the values in the UI itself. So there, okay, we have given everything in the, I mean, we copied pasted right in the configuration XML files, core site, all those things. But here, okay, we are just giving in the UI itself all the properties. Click on continue. Okay, yeah. So we have given all the, so we clearly told that okay, what services should be installed where. Okay, and okay, what are the configuration settings also. Okay, if it is name node is here, okay, what directories it should use to create the FS image edit log. Okay, now you see what are the steps it is running. Okay, so now it is first step, it is checking like it is ensuring all the expected softwares are installed on the host. Yes. Okay, after that initialize the zookeeper. To set up zookeeper, how many steps we executed, guys? All those steps, okay, it completed in one line. Understood? Understood. So after setting up the cluster, okay, we did format actually. Okay, so now this is the command, okay, where it is formatting actually. Okay, formatting the name node directories of the current name node. Okay, so it formatted, it ran the SDFS. Okay, so it means okay, by looking at these steps, okay, you should understand okay, what is the command it is executing in the backend. Okay, so it is first, okay, it is setting up the zookeeper, it is performing all those steps, and finally it is running a ZK server data set start. That is what it is doing in all the machines, in all the 3 machines, not one machine, CN1, CN2, CN3. Okay, now, okay, it is done. So now it is creating some temporary directories on top of SDFS. So Hadoop installation is done. Deploy client configuration means, okay, so it is pushing all the new modified configuration files to all other nodes, then creating SDFS temp directory, then, okay, so it is executing the steps in sequence. Okay,
So, can you use this UI top of HDFS, the existing default
Cluster, huh?
basically? Yes, sir.
Sir, actually, okay. If you struggle a little bit, yes, you can do that, sir.
Okay.
You can do that. Yes, there is no doubt. Okay. But better to install separately. Okay. So yes, all the steps are successfully completed. Click on continue. Okay. So now the services are installed and cluster is running fine. Okay. Now this is the UI, guys. This is the UI. Okay. So there are 3 warnings here. Can you see this one? Okay.
Yes.
What are the warnings? Just click on this warning. Okay. What it is saying? Java heap size in name node is
Bytes.
okay, at least 1 GB. Okay. Okay. So okay. So suggested minimum size is 4 GB. Okay. It is saying that, okay. So you don't have 4 GB of uh, JVM for name node. Okay. It means, okay, memory is not sufficient. That is the reason it is throwing warning. So if you feel, okay, it is a genuine warning means, okay, yes, okay, my VM itself is having only 12 GB RAM. Okay. 13 GB RAM in that. Okay. See, what is the total RAM here, guys? So 13 GB I have given. Okay. Per single machine, 13 GB, 13 GB, 13 GB, 13 GB. Okay. So now inside this 13 GB, so OS is running here. So OS will take around like 1 GB. Okay. Now 12 GB is remaining. Okay. In that 12 GB, okay, if I give 4 GB to name node, what about other services?
All are.
Correct or not? Okay. So that is the reason. Okay. So it is saying that, okay, I don't have 4 GB RAM to take. Okay. So I am throwing you warning. So it is a known scenario, but will you see this kind of warnings in real time? In real time, will they install on 13 GB machine? In real time, they will install Cloudera on 128 GB servers, okay, minimum. So it means each server will have 128 GB, 128 GB, 128 GB, 128 GB. Okay. So no issues at all. Got it? Got it, guys? Okay. So you can just say suppress. Okay. Since it is a known issue, you can suppress. Okay. And again, okay, so there are 3 warnings here. Okay, what are these 3 warnings? Again, okay, these 3 warnings also, okay, so okay, are related to memory only. So they are saying, okay, I require this much RAM, okay, but this is not there, this is not there. So you can just click on suppress. Okay, see, now for 13 GB RAM, okay, I'm getting these 4 warnings. Okay, if you just imagine, okay, you install, okay, your Hadoop on 16 GB, you will get more than 20 warnings. Understand, guys? You will get more than 20 warnings. Very clear? Okay. So now this is my UI, guys. This is my UI. Okay. So now I told you, right? Okay, there is a dashboard and all. Okay, this is the dashboard. Okay, what it is saying. So there are 4 hosts. Okay. So there are 4 hosts. These are the 4 hosts. Okay. And on each host, okay, how many services are running? So on first machine, name node is running. Okay. So Yan, okay, job history service is running, resource management is running, Zookeeper is running. Yes or no? On second machine. So see here, in one page, I can easily say that, okay, what and all running on these machines. Okay. I need to log into any of the machine. This itself will show you. Okay. In some machine, okay, let's say on cn1.hadoop.machine, name node is down. Immediately, this will show as, now it is showing green. Okay. This will show as red. Understand? So without going there, I can easily, okay, tell everything here itself actually. Okay. So fine. Okay. We will see what are the different options we have. Okay. So what are the services we install, guys? We install HDFS, Yarn, and Zookeeper. Correct or not? Okay. Now, what is the name we have given for our cluster? So cluster 1. Okay. So let us give some different name. Okay. So here there is a button here. Okay. Okay. When you click on this one, this will open this drop down. Okay. So rename the cluster. Okay. So I want to give, so my dev cluster. Okay. This is the name I want to give. Okay, my dev cluster. Is it fine? Huh? Is it fine,
Yeah.
guys? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is my
Yeah.
dev cluster. And here clearly saying that, okay, which version of Cloudera we installed. Which version of Cloudera we installed? We installed 6.1.1. Okay. So now, okay, so let us do one thing. Okay. Now let us click on HDFS. When you click on HDFS, what it is saying? So here it is clearly saying that okay, there are 3 data nodes, one name node, okay, good health, one secondary name node, good health. Okay, so like this it is showing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, so it is clearly saying that okay, we have in his under HDFS, so we have 3 data nodes, one name node, one secondary name node. Okay, shall we enable high availability, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to enable high availability, there is something next to HDFS, there is something called actions. Okay, so here something called enable high availability. Okay, so now, okay, it is asking what is the common name you want to give. Okay, so what is the common name you have given in Apache Hadoop? My cluster. Yes or no? So you give whatever name. Okay, here I'm giving my cluster. Click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking, okay, see, already one name node is running on this machine. Where you want to have the select second name node? Okay, click on this one. This is second name node. Where you want to have the journal nodes? I want to have my journal nodes on these 3 machines. Clear? Okay, click on OK. Okay, so you just select okay where you want to have second name node, where you want to have your journal nodes. Click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking okay, what is the location you want to give for journal edits? Okay, so MNT disk 1. Okay, no, disk 2 JN edits. Okay, so this is the common for all 3 journal nodes. Okay, understand, guys? So now click on continue. Okay, so now let us see what it is doing. So you see it is doing so many steps here, 20 steps it is performing. Okay, so first step it is done. Check the name node directories for the new standby name node. Okay, exist or not. If not, create it. Check okay, MNT disk 1 name, MNT disk 2 names are available or not. No, if not, okay, then create it. Check edit directories are available. If not, create it. Okay, then stop HDFS. Okay, then creating the roles in high availability, deleting the secondary name node. See, it is automatically deleting the secondary name node. Why it is deleting? When you have standby name node, that will take care of the checkpointing, right? So it is deleting the secondary name node. Okay, then it is configuring the name nodes to enable high availability. It means it is modifying the configuration files. Okay, set config. Okay, all the configuration files it is modifying. Then okay, in the Zookeeper it is enabling the high availability state. Okay, then it is starting the journal nodes. See, all these steps we have done manually. If you remember in Hadoop 3x,
Yes.
each and every step we have done manually in the command line. Okay, so formatting the directories in the other name node. Okay, so this is expected to fail if it is already formatted. Yes, our name nodes are first name node is already formatted, right? So this is expected to fail. This step will fail, but okay, fine, not a problem. This is not a issue. Okay, yeah, that's not a issue. Okay, so fine. Then initially in the shared edits, okay, we ran a command initialize shared edits in Hadoop 3x. Okay, yeah, okay, so to enable journal nodes, okay, we have done initialize shared edits. Okay, the next one is starting the name node. First name node it is starting CN1 first name node. Okay, so as soon as you start a name node, okay, it will enter into safe mode. So it is waiting for the active name node to start up. Okay, now one name node is started. Okay, now it is doing bootstrap standby. What is this bootstrap standby, guys? Whenever okay, a second standby name node is added, it also require the FS image edit log files. If you do bootstrap standby, then it will copy the FS image edit log files from the main name node or first name node. Okay, it is done. Now it is starting the standby name node. Okay, then starting the failover controller on the active name node. starting the failover control on the standby name node. The next step. Okay, it started the second failover controller also. Waiting for the standby name node. Yes, that is also up. Then creating the temp directory. So all done, almost. Okay, it's done. Click on continue. Successfully enabled high availability. Click on finish. Okay, now you see now how many services we have. It will refresh. Okay, now you click on SDFS. See now how many services we have, guys. How many data nodes we have?
3,
How many failover controllers?
2.
2. Journal nodes, 3 journal nodes, 2 name nodes. Understand? So is it like Hadoop 2x or not?
Yes.
Okay, so we have 2 name nodes. Okay, in that 2 name nodes. Okay, so what is active and what is standby? So what is the name node of CN1? It is active, and whatever is there in the CN2, it is standby. Clear? Clear, guys. So what will happen if I stop this name node? Okay, name node, stop. Restart this name node. When I restart this name node, okay, it is restarting the name node. So obviously, so who will become active now?
CN2.
CN2 will become active.
Venkatana, sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah. Tell me.
In most of all the companies, this Cloudera manager will be installed, is it?
Of course, yes.
Because everything
Sir.
is been when if we are edited to UI, I don't think that we will be remembering our command lines.
Yes, sir. That's what. Okay. But okay, you know one thing, guys. If you go to interview, okay, what questions they'll ask?
Command lines.
Huh?
Command lines.
So will they ask, okay, Venkata, tell me, okay, when I click on okay SDFS in the actions tab, what is the fifth option? Will they ask like that?
No, sir.
They will not ask like that, guys. Okay. See, they expect you to do things from command line. What in case tomorrow UI is not there?
Yeah.
Then what you will do?
Gone case.
Huh?
Gone case. Again, we need to.
Yeah,
We
exactly.
need to always be in our basics.
Exactly. Okay. So that's what, sir. Okay. So if you see here, so what is active name? Who is active name node now? CN2 is active name node because you restarted this one. When it is started, okay, then it has become like, okay, standby. Okay. So yeah, this is standby. This is active. Can you see? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Again, okay, there are again 3 warnings. Okay, we have after installing this one. Again, these are also memory related warnings. Okay. So you can suppress. Okay. Yeah. So your cluster will okay, what is your work as a Hadoop admin? So you should see this UI, and this UI should be always green. Your cluster status should be always green. Okay, so let us do one thing. Okay, let us go to command line now. Let us go to command line. Okay, now let us go to cn1. Okay, just type JPS. Are you seeing anything?
Nothing. Yes.
What and all running here?
Job it.
You know what is name node? Yes or no? You know what is journal node, and you know what is DFS failover controller.
Yes.
Okay, then okay, you know what is job history server. You know what is resource manager, correct or not? You know what is quorum peer main. Are these services are running as running or not?
Yes.
Okay, in the same way, so here also you type sudo JPS. So what is running here? Okay, here data node also running. Okay, shall I kill data node? So now, okay, this UI is saying that everything is green. Okay, I'm killing data node service, guys. Okay, sudo kill -9 2109. What will happen if I kill the data node?
Data node will be stopped.
Data node will be stopped. Yes or no? Data node will be stopped. Okay. Now I stop the data node. Okay. Now you see JPS. Is the data node started already? Is it showing again or not?
Again showing.
Again it is showing. Okay. It means okay, somebody started automatically. Who started? Who started it here? Okay, so what I've done, I stopped this data node 1. Then again, okay, who started this data node 1? After, okay, 1 second, if I see again, okay, data node 1 is started. Who started this one?
Name node.
Name node started. Or there is something called agent here. Can you see?
Yes.
So immediately there is a service stopped here. Immediately agent will pass. Okay, agent will check this service. Okay, so this agent is responsible to make sure all the services are running or not. Yes or no? So if any service is down, immediately agent will restart the service. See here, there, okay, there in Apache Hadoop, okay, if a service is stopped, who will come and restart? Nobody. Okay, and you don't have UI also. Okay, but okay, there is a data node services here. It is stopped automatically. Automatically it is started. But okay, there is something now. My cluster has become red. Why? See, I stopped the data node there, but okay, my cluster has become red here. Why? So there is some issue. Just okay, one critical health issue. Click on this one. What it is saying? So data node 2 on CN2 machine, it is unexpectedly exited. Understood? It is unexpectedly exited. What is this unexpected exit? Somebody killed it. Very simple. Okay, it may be me or okay, maybe anything actually. Okay, so now, okay, so what it is saying? Okay, so what is this one? The role encode one unexpected exist in the previous 5 minutes. Okay, so critical threshold. This is a critical. That is the reason it is showing. So in last 5 minutes, okay, on CN2 machine, okay, this data node service has got stopped unexpectedly. Understood? Okay, maybe now data node service is running or not? Running, but okay, still it is showing warning saying that okay, there is some data node failed. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, and now if you click on this SDFS, okay, now if you see the history, okay, what is this one? Out of 3 data nodes, one is having bad health, other one is having
Good.
other 2 are having good health. Okay, what is the bad health reason? Unexpected exist. Understood? And again health history. Okay, so now at 812 data node health is bad. Okay, name node health is good, name node health is concerning, HDFS can be good. Okay, free space good. Okay, so now see every time, okay, so it means okay, this is the time and it is writing something actually. Okay, so from where this history, health history is getting, okay, so who is collecting this health history information? 812 data node health is bad. Who is collecting this information?
CM agent.
Agent.
Agent is collecting this information, and okay, agent is passing this information to whom? So,
Cloudera manager.
exactly, sir. Okay, agent is passing this information to Cloudera manager. Cloudera manager is storing that information in the backend RDBMS. Okay. Now, when you click on the UI, when you open the UI, all this information you are seeing, right? All this information, see. So white is bad. Okay, why health is bad? This is the reason. Okay, or maybe white is here concerning. Okay, this is the reason here. Okay, see, you no need to go to command line, guys. You can see what is the reason also. If something is bad, okay, white is bad, you can see here itself. Understand? Understand? Okay, so like this, okay, it will show each and every information. Okay, now this information is coming from where? So where this information is stored? First of all, we should understand, okay, so who is collecting this information? This information is collected by each agent running on separate machine. Agents are passing this information to server. Okay, managers. Okay, server, what server is doing? Server is loading that in the backend RDBMS. Okay, so okay, so what will happen? Okay, after 5 minutes, okay, this error will go off. Yes or no? So now after 5 minutes, okay, this error will go off. Now 8:12, right? Okay, so if you wait for 1 more minute, okay, this error will go off. But still, I want to understand, okay, maybe at night 12 o'clock, okay, one data node failed and okay, it got restarted by agent automatically. I want to know, okay, how many data nodes failed yesterday night. From where I can take this report? I can take from health report, I can take this report, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so here any service is stopped, automatically agents will come and restart the service. Okay, so do you think that okay, we need manual intervention to start the services now?
No.
No. Okay, see now it has become green. Did I change it? Did I change anything?
No.
Why?
Agent
Because
will.
agent has sent the information saying that okay, fine, okay, so in the last 5 minutes, okay, we don't have any issues. Okay, so fine, it is green, perfectly running fine. Okay, you update your status as green. Okay, so immediately as soon as it has become green, now okay, you will have that some information. See here now at 8:17, data node health is good. Understand? So each and every information, okay, you are seeing in this way. So this information is collected by agents and given to server. Server is storing in the backend RDBMS, and this UI is pulling that information from the backend RDBMS and showing it to you. Understood? Understood, guys? Okay. So now, okay, let's say I want to enable resource manager high availability also. Okay, click on Yan. Okay, when you click on Yan, how many resource managers we have? Only one resource manager, correct? Okay, I want to add one more resource manager. Okay, what you need to do? Click on actions. Okay, so where is this one? Enable high availability. Click on this one. Now it is asking, okay, one RM is running on CN1 machine. Where you want to run other RM? Okay, I want to run other RM on CN4, let's say. Okay, no, one is already running here. No. Okay, fine. Other RM I want here. Okay, click on this one. Okay, click on continue. See what it is doing? It is stopping yarn. It is updating the configuration file. Okay, and it is starting yarn. And what is this deploy client configuration? It is pushing the modified configuration files to all other nodes. Understand? Okay, done. Okay, so click on finish. So now you see how many resource managers you have. Click on refresh. So how many resource managers you have? Click on this one. Who is active and who is standby? CN4 on CN4 is active and CN1 is standby. Okay, if I restart as CN4, okay, now I'm restarting actions. Restart this resource manager. When I restart this resource manager, obviously other resource manager will become active. So CN1 resource manager should become active now.
Sir, but here we have not given zookeepers to automatic.
It will take automatically, sir. Even a zookeeper information, did I give for name node? It has taken because it clearly knows that there are 3 zookeepers. It is taking those 3 zookeepers only. See now, who is active now?
CN1.
CN1 is active. Okay, CN4 is starting. Since it is starting, the status is amber. Got it? It is not started successfully. Okay, it is still starting. See, it is saying okay, not running. Okay, until it becomes standby, the status will be okay. So now, okay, see here. Okay, still it is saying not running. Okay, so after a couple of seconds, it will become standby. Until it becomes standby, it will show this amber. Yeah, now it has become standby, and okay, this also become green. See? Yes or no, guys? Okay, so like this. Okay, so you will be having so all health issues. There is a health issue, no health issue. Okay, so now, so this is how you need to make sure that okay, your cluster should be up and running. Okay, and okay, your cluster status should be always green. Are you clear? Are you clear or anything else?
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
one question, sir. The
Yeah, yeah.
auto restart, is there any way can we disable it?
If you want, you can disable it, sir. Yes. Yes. Okay. But okay, why you want to disable that?
In case of maintenance activity, okay.
Huh. Okay.
I don't want to.
No. Okay, I'll tell you, sir. Okay. If you stop this one from here, actually, okay, then it will not restart.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say, okay, so there is a data node. This is the data node. Okay. Now you want to stop this data node. Okay. So you want to stop this data node. Click on this data node and click on stop this data node. Okay. When you stop through UI, okay, then it will not, agent will not restart.
Okay, got it.
Understood? See now? So this data node is stopped. Okay. Okay. Now you see the data nodes. See, one is stopped. Did it restart? No. And okay, status also it is showing green only. Why? Because okay, we wantedly stopped. It's a graceful stopping. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So this is how, okay. So if you stop, okay, it will not restart, guys. Okay. But it stopped by mistake or automatically. Okay. Then it will restart.
Okay.
Are you clear?
I'm clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now you restart. Okay. So actions and okay, start this data node. That's it. See how easy it is starting the services and stopping the services. Do you need to remember the commands? Okay. Suppose, okay, let us take, okay, this one. Where is this one? If you want to start entire cluster in Hadoop 3x, okay, so what are the commands I need to use to stop entire cluster? I need to execute these many commands, correct or not? Huh? But now if I want to stop an entire cluster, okay, so select the cluster name, okay, drop down, stop. So do you want to stop entire cluster? Stop. See here. So what it is stopping first? Even okay, in Hadoop 3x also we stopped the first, okay, yarn services, then SDFS services, then zookeeper. Is it following the same order or not? Huh? It took only 8 seconds. Close. That's it. Entire cluster is stopped. Okay. You want to start entire cluster. Okay. Again, click on this one. Start entire cluster. Start. Okay. See again. Okay. Even starting also, what it is starting first? It is starting zookeeper, then Hadoop services, then yarn services. Is it following the same order what we followed in Apache?
Yes.
Yeah, it is following the same order. Okay. So it is very, very easy to handle Hadoop cluster with the help of UI case.
With the help of
UI.
that is the reason. And only thing is it will make us forget the commands.
Exactly. It will make you to forget the commands, but okay, it will make your life easy, right?
No.
No.
Burst.
No. Until UI is there, okay, your life will be good.
Yeah, that's fine. But
Okay.
Interviewer
to
will
do it.
ask about the command only.
Yes, sir. Okay. In
Yes.
interviews, okay, they ask about the commands only.
leave about interviews, Anna, but later also.
Later also,
will-
yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Surely,
okay.
because if sometimes maybe the UI may be having some issues, and we need to
Yes.
work on any P1 or any issue related, which need to be on emergency basis. At that
Yes,
time, we'll
yes.
be like twisting our fingers.
Exactly, exactly. So, okay, see, in real time, suppose okay, if UI is there, you can manage the start, stop, restart, everything from the UI. Okay. But what in case if your UI is not there, you should know the commands, right? At least. Huh? Or at least, okay, if you are doing something in the UI, okay, you should understand what is happening in the UI, right? Now, okay, when I say zookeeper, okay, when I run this command, okay, or when you show, or when you see start service on zookeeper, you know what command it is running in the background, correct or not? This is what the command, okay, start zookeeper, this is what the command it is running in the background.
Straight as or whatever it is. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And okay, to start, okay, again, okay, to start name nodes. Okay, so here start SDFS service. Inside SDFS service, okay, we have all those things. Okay, to start data node, what command it is running? So this is the command to start data node is running. To start failover controller, this is the command it is running. Okay, see, now you understood, okay, why we spent, okay, so much of time in the command line, guys, because that is your life, guys. Understand? There are many people whom I know, okay, okay. So from day one they started with UI. Okay, now if I ask them, okay, or tomorrow if UI is not there, if I ask them to fix through command line, they don't know how to do it. Got it? They don't know how to do it. Okay, see, UI will make us very easy, I mean our life easy, very easy. Okay,
And
but
makes us lazy.
yeah, lazy. Okay, tomorrow if UI is down, we are gone.
Gone.
There are scenarios where UI can go off. What in case, okay, let's say due to some issue this entire server got crashed, there are chances, right?
Yes.
Huh? What in case if this entire server got crashed, what will happen? And okay, that time, okay, your name node also stopped. Okay, how do you start the name nodes now? Without knowing command line, okay, without knowing command line, working, if UI is there, okay, your life will be okay. Okay, if UI is not there and okay, something went wrong, major issue happened on the cluster, then you are gone. Understood? And okay, you go to any interview, any company interview, nobody will ask you about the UI. Understand? They'll ask you the
Maybe they will
backend.
check. Do you have idea about UI? That's it, right?
They will not even check, guys. Okay, why you want? Okay,
Okay,
tell me.
okay.
Okay, first of all, okay, to start cluster, okay, I know that, okay, if I take a college fresher, and if I teach him or her saying that, okay, to start the cluster use this option, to stop the cluster use this option, to stop the cluster use this restart option, so they can do they can start, stop and restart our cluster, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay, but why they want senior people? So we don't know when our UI will stop. Okay, so until UI is running fine, okay, so the life will be easy. If UI is not there, gone case. Okay, so that is the reason, okay, they will ask. And now let us execute some commands, guys. Okay, so sdfs dfs-ls, is it working in the same way? Is it the same command?
Yes.
Okay, dfs sdfs mkdir project 1. Okay, ch1, okay, blr user, blr group, project 1. Okay, ch mode, sure. So are the commands, okay, working as it is, or any other issues actually?
No issues working.
No issues.
But I'm expecting a question here, okay, sir, why are you using sudo -u sdfs?
Because
Actually
these
this
are
is
normal users.
okay, so sudo -u sdfs, why? Okay, so there is a story, okay, why I'm using that case. Okay, so guys, okay, we installed Apache Hadoop. Okay, we install Apache Hadoop. Okay, so inside Apache Hadoop, what are the services we have? We have Zookeeper. Okay, so then okay, we have when it comes to SDFS. Okay, so under Zookeeper you have ZK. Okay, ZK1, ZK2, ZK3. Yes or no? Should. So ZK3. Okay, again, okay, under HDFS, okay, you have name node 1, name node 2. Okay, ZKFC1, ZKFC 2. Okay, then JN1, JN2, JN3. Okay, what else?
Data node.
DN1, DN2, and DN3. Okay, then when it comes to YAN, under YAN you have RM1, RM2, job history server, then okay, NM1, NM2, NM3. Okay, so now this is how, okay, this is how, okay, we started the services, correct or not? Zookeeper, 3 Zookeepers, SDFS, 2 name nodes, 2 ZKFCs, 3 general nodes, 3 data nodes. Okay, YAN, okay, 2 RMs, okay, 3 node managers, 1 job history server. Okay, so now in case of Apache Hadoop, okay, with what username I started this service? Zookeepers. I used a user, HTTP user. Okay, to start these services, same user. To start these services, same user. Okay, it means, okay, I used HTTP username to start these services. Okay, now when I use HTTP username to start these services, who is the owner of these services? So who is the owner of HTTP user? I mean, name node 1, HTTP user, name node 2, HTTP user. Okay, or enter HDFS, HTTP user. Okay, but when it comes to Cloudera Hadoop, okay, so what Cloudera has done, okay, it is not using our user to start the services. Okay, it is creating its own users, actually its own users. Okay, then usernames are Zookeeper. To start Zookeeper, it is creating a user Zookeeper, and using that user it is starting Zookeeper services. Okay, now who is the owner of Zookeeper now? Is it HTTP user or Zookeeper? Zookeeper. Okay, to start, okay, all Hadoop services, let it be name node or Zookeeper failover controller, general node or data node, it is creating, okay, one more user which is called SDFS. Okay, this is the user. Okay, and it is using this user to start all this. Understand? Okay, now tell me, who is the owner of SDF storage, our Hadoop storage? SDFS user. Understood? Okay, who is starting all these services? Okay,
Yeah.
so it is YAN user. Understood? So this is how your services are running. Understood? In case of Apache Hadoop, okay, we use single user to start any of the service. But in case of Cloudera will never use single user. Cloudera will use, okay, RK, if you have any doubt, okay, let us do one thing, okay, sudo JPS. Okay, see, when I say JPS, what it will show? It will show all the Java process running on this username. Are there any Java process running on this username? No. Okay, when I say sudo JPS, it will show all other names. Okay, now here quorum peer main. Okay, so ps-ef, okay, grep. So which user started this service, guys? Zookeeper. Okay, now, okay, psef 5055. Okay, who started name node? SDFS user. Understood? Okay, and okay, who started do we have resource our node manager 6139? Okay, who started 6139? Here Ian. Okay, so like this, guys, so everybody will start, okay, or every service, okay, will be started by different username. Okay, so now when you execute a command, okay, normally, okay, so when I execute a command here normally, okay, so on this command line, where is this command line? Okay, this one. Okay, it may not work initially, at least, okay, to create a directory. So now if you see SDFS DFS-ls, okay, so you have a directory which is called project1. Okay, who is the owner for this project1? BLR user and BLR group. Okay, so now if I log in as allen sudo su hyphen allen. Okay, now allen is part of blr group, correct or not? id, sorry, id. So when I say id, it will show allen is part of which group? blr group. Okay, the group is having read, write and execute permission. Okay, now I'm creating a file va sample1.txt. okay, hello world. Okay, welcome to Cloudera. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so I created. Okay, I created where? On the local file system. Now I'm pushing sdfs dfs hyphen put sample1.txt to project1. Okay, why I'm not using sudo now? Because this directory is already owned by these people. Okay, so for this, you are writing something on the directory which is owned by us. Okay, you don't require sudo permission. Okay, so but if you want to write something inside temp, can Alan write something inside temp or no, inside user? He cannot write because so this is owned by sdfs user. Understood? Now if you see sdfs dfs hyphen ls, project1, do you have this file or not? Sample1.txt. Yes. What is the replication factor of this file? 3. Are you clear?
Yes.
So the commands are working as per Apache Hadoop or not? Yes. Okay.
Yes, okay.
So there is no change in Apache Hadoop and Cloudera Hadoop. Only changes UI and agents. They added extra. The remaining commands, whatever commands you execute in Apache Hadoop, the same commands can be executed in Cloudera also. Understand?
Can I change that users?
What users? What user you want to change?
The HDFS user is there. No?
If you want to customize, you can, sir. Why not? You can. But so Cloudera will take the default ones. But you, if you feel that I don't want this user to start these services, yes, okay, you change it. Okay. Clear?
So somewhere we are given as admin user. Okay, not for UI admin user.
So
for HDFS.
okay, sir. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, admin. Okay. So during installation, that's what you say.
Yes, sir. That's right. Sir. During HDFS
okay.
installation.
Yeah, correct. Okay, during Cloudera installation. Okay, so to install Cloudera software, I need some user, right? To install. Okay, but not to start the service. Installing different, starting the service is different.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, for installation I used SDP user, but after installation I don't want SDP user at all. Okay, I will use only the service user actually. Understood?
Yeah, got it. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. So fine. Okay, so now let's go through this UI, guys. Let's go through this UI. Okay, what is this UI? What are the different options we have? What can we do? Okay, in the UI, all those things we can see now. Okay, so the first thing, okay, so here on the top left, okay, you have something called Cloudera Manager. If you click on here, wherever you are, you will come to the first screen. Understand? You'll come to the first screen. Okay, so fine. Okay, under this one, okay, you can see the list of clusters you have. Okay, what are the clusters you have? My dev cluster. Okay, and this is okay here. If you want to see which version of Cloudera they are using, okay, so you can see from here itself. Okay, and next to this one there is a drop down. Okay, so now there is something called add service. What is this add service, guys? So what are the services we have actually? We have SDFS, Yarn, Zookeeper. Okay, so if I want to add any other service, click on add service. See, these are the different services, okay, where Cloudera is giving. You understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say I want to add scoop 1. Okay, just select scoop 1, click on continue. Okay, so now it is asking, okay, where you want to install scoop 1, on which machine. Okay, let's say I want to install scoop 1 on CN4 machine. Click on okay. Okay, and click on continue. So what it is doing?
Running on the server for the first time.
Exactly. Yeah. So it is installing Scoop on the CN4 machine. Continue. Okay. So it says that, okay, yes, your new service is installed successfully. Click on finish. Yeah. So now can you see one more service in this list now? Huh?
Yes.
You can see one more service. Okay. So, but okay, here, okay, if you see, it is not in green. Why it is not in green? So Scoop is kind of a client only service. What do you mean of client only service? So it will not run any of the services actually. Okay. It is just software. It is installed. Understand? Understand, guys? It is just a software. Okay. There is nothing going down. Scoop, okay, will never go down because, okay, it doesn't start any service. So here, okay, let us take this scenario. Okay. Calculator. Okay. Will your calculator go down, guys? Huh?
No. No.
Why? So when I will say, okay, my calculator is down, when my calculator service is stopped, yes or no? Okay. So, but here calculator is not a service, okay, background service which it will run. Calculator is a exe file which is installed. If you want, double click on the exe, open it, use it, and close it. That's it. Understand? Okay. So Scoop is not having any kind of daemons. But okay, if you see SDFS has daemons. Okay, background services which will be up and running continuously. Understand? So since, okay, Scoop doesn't have any services, it is showing none. Otherwise, if there is any service, it will show green on here also. Okay, so that's how you can add any service. Okay, so tomorrow, okay, somebody come and ask, okay, can you install Spark in this cluster? Okay, just click on add service and, okay, select where is Spark. Okay, and click on next. Okay, it will install Spark for you. Understood? Okay, that is add service. Okay, click on add host. What do you mean of add host? What do you mean of add host?
Data commissioning.
New client.
Exactly. Okay, so let's say you want to add a host. Okay, commissioning new nodes. Click on, okay, you select which cluster, my dev cluster. Click on continue. Okay, so now it will ask you, okay, what is the new IP address you want to install? Okay, now you need to provide the new IP address. Understand? Okay, so
So is it only your worker node, or can you add name node as well?
sorry. So,
Add
sir,
host.
okay. Usually you will be adding worker nodes usually, but I will show you how to add new name node also. Clear?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, adding new name node means, okay, adding a server or adding a service?
Server.
Adding a server, sir.
Server.
Yeah.
Is it a server or service? Name node.
Name node server. Oh,
Service.
service as a service. Okay.
Service.
Okay, yeah.
Service.
Adding name node is nothing but adding a service on a
Service.
machine. Okay.
Exactly.
So now, okay, how many name nodes I have, guys? How many total servers I have?
4.
4 servers I have. Okay. So now on which machine, okay, name node is running? CN1 name node is running, correct?
Yep.
Name node is running. Okay. On CN2 name. Okay, sorry. On CN2, do you have name node running? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Now you want to add third name node, let's say. Okay. So click on CN3. Okay. Okay. CN3. Okay.
Right.
Actions. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. 1 second. Okay. 1 second. I will say SDFS. Okay. Instances. Okay. Now I want to add actions. Okay. Add role instances. Click on add role instances. Which one you want? You want to add extra name node, right? Already, if you see name node is running on these 2 machines. Click on this one, third machine. Click on OK. Click on continue. Then what will happen?
It will start.
Okay. It means, okay, so it will on CN3 machine. Okay, name node service will be started.
Okay.
You understood?
Understand, sir.
Okay, so add server is different, add service is different. Okay, now add name node. Okay, what does it mean? You want to add service or server?
Service.
Service.
It's a
Okay,
service.
yeah.
It's service.
Okay, if you want to add
Okay.
host, okay, add. Okay, 1 second, sir. Okay, I am saying add host. Is it saying add service or add host? Add service is different, add host is different.
Okay.
Got
Yeah.
it?
Got it, sir.
So first, okay, if you want to install service, you may require a host. So
Exactly.
you install host first, then okay, you install service on top of that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Question, sir.
Sir, Venkat, this is
Ah,
Anku here.
yeah. Tell me, sir.
This name node means in real time we get a new server to add this name, this service, or we add this service into the worker node.
Okay, sir. Okay. So let us take this scenario, sir. Let us take this scenario. Okay. Let's say I have a cluster like this. So initially, okay. So this is my CMG node. CMG node. So here it is CN1. Okay, or CN1. Okay. Okay. Let's say CN2, CN3. Okay, CN4. Okay. Let's say, okay, you started, okay, name node 1 here. Okay, and you started name node 2 here, and you felt, okay, 2 name nodes are not sufficient. Okay, you made name node 3 also later, name node 4 also later. Okay, now you need to add, okay, one more name node 5, one more name node. Can I add on any machines?
We need an extra machine.
We don't have machine here actually. Okay, in this scenario, first what you need to do, you need to add CN4 and you need to add NN5. Sorry, CN5. You need to add CN5 and you need to, in this one you need to add NN5. You understood? Understood, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let us take this scenario now. Okay, let us take this scenario. You have CN3, CN4, CN5. Okay, CN6. Okay, so in this one, name node 1 is running, JN1. Okay, JN2, JN3, JN node 3. Okay, but okay, you started. Okay, so JN3. Okay, name node 1, ZKFC1. Okay, ZKFC2. Okay, now but here, okay, you started DN1. Okay, DN2, DN3. Okay, DN3. Okay, then okay, so like this. Okay, so your company decided, okay, so let us take these nodes are master nodes. Okay, these nodes are worker nodes. Understood, sir?
Yes, I got this.
Okay, so okay, this is what the concept now. Okay, so they thought that, okay, so these are master nodes and these are worker nodes. Okay, so now, okay, now they want to go for one more name node, sir. Okay, what they can do, which node they can select? They want to go for third name node also. Which node they can select?
They can go with date one of the
CN3.
worker node, but
No.
CN3,
Okay, see,
CN3.
they can go in CN3 machine. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, okay, NN3 can be installed on CN3 machine. Correct or not? Okay,
Correct.
but now they thought, okay, I want one more name node. What they can do? See, one option is that, okay, see, I can make, okay, any one of the data node as name node also. Correct or not? So
yes,
I can install name node service in this machine also. Okay, but okay, your company is following standards. They are telling that, okay, no master services should run on slave servers. Then what you need to do? You need to add CN7 as a master node, and here you run NN4. You got it? If company
yes.
says that, okay, no masters, okay, all masters should run separately, all slaves should run separately, means, okay, you should not, okay, for fourth name node, you should not use any of these three machines. Understood? You should go for you should add new host first, then you should add new name node there. You understand, guys, now?
Yes.
Okay, but your company is okay, fine. Okay, see, we don't have any restrictions like that. Okay, we are okay. Then okay, what you can do? Okay, if you want fourth name node, you can run fourth name node in this machine. But okay, is this a standard? Is it as per standard? This is not as per standard, sir. To be frank, okay, if you ask me, okay, in real time, okay, your data nodes, name nodes will not run together. Since we don't have so many, okay, chance to create so many VMs, we are running, okay, name nodes, data nodes all together. Okay, but in real time, you will have name nodes separately, so master services separately, okay, worker nodes separately, master node separately, and worker node separately. You understood?
Yes.
Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? I hope, okay, you understood, okay, why we are running name node, data nodes together also, because we don't have so many servers. We don't have chance to create so many servers. Suppose, okay, if your laptop is having 128 GB RAM, I'm just giving example, guys. If your laptop is having 128 GB RAM and you have chance to launch, okay, some 10 VMs, then I will separate, okay, I will make 3 nodes as master nodes. Only on those nodes, okay, I will install name node, okay, these services, master services, and okay, remaining 7 nodes, I can make it like data nodes. Understand? Okay, but usually expanding a cluster, okay, what does it mean? So expanding master nodes or expanding worker nodes? Expanding a cluster.
Worker nodes.
Expanding.
Usually worker nodes.
Yes.
Expanding a cluster means, okay, so let's say if companies thought that, okay, fine, okay, for our cluster, okay, 3 name nodes are sufficient, okay, then, okay, will you expand, okay, expand master nodes?
Only
You will not expand master nodes, okay, you will expand only slave nodes, okay, or worker nodes actually. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so that's how it works, guys. That's how it works. Okay. Any other questions?
it means we do have extendability, but we won't use it at that time.
We will not do it. Okay. See, you can run. Hadoop will not say, hey, why are you running name node, data node on the same machine? Hadoop will not ask you. Okay. But only thing is that exactly. But okay, if you see the real-time clusters and all, worker services will be running separate machines and master services will be running in separate machine. Clear?
Yes.
Zookeepers also, right, sir?
Zookeepers also will be running on master nodes only.
Actually, even that is not the right process, right? Because if
no, this is fine. Zookeepers are okay, master services only.
Even though if suppose Zookeeper, I mean, service is, I mean,
Edge node also separate.
It will. I mean, if Zookeeper service is down.
This is down. What is the problem? Zookeeper 1 is down. What is the problem?
But even that will make much load on the node name, right? Okay, if it is not down, Zookeeper are running on the same name node. Even the requesters will hit to the Zookeeper and
I will tell you, sir. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, on CN1 machine is having, okay, let's say 256 GB RAM, sir. Okay. In real time, okay, you will be having, okay, more than 128 GB RAM, correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I have 256 GB RAM, okay, so to run Zookeeper service, how much RAM I require in real time? Okay, 3 to 4 GB is sufficient.
Yes.
Okay, I will take it as maximum 4 GB. So in 256 GB, can I take 4 GB? Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And for name node, okay, let's say based on the data, name node JVM size will increase. Okay, let's say name node is taking 100 GB. I'm just giving example. Okay, so is it fine? Can I run?
Yes.
Then Jana node, okay, it is taking, okay, let's say 10 GB. Can I run? So JetKFC, it is taking, okay, 4 GB again. Okay, see, if I run all these services together also, I'm taking only, okay, 118 GB. Okay, still, okay, so much of RAM is free. Yes or no? And okay, and one more thing, okay, so usually you will use 32 core servers. Okay, but okay, to start, okay, to run Zookeeper, how many cores it will take? Only 1 core. To start name node, only 1. To start Journal node, only 1. To start JetKFC, only 1. Okay, see, after running these 4 services also, I still have, okay, 28 cores free. Yes or no? Okay, and I still have 256 minus 118. Minus 118. Okay, 138 GB RAM free.
Okay, so performance wise, it won't make any issue.
Exactly,
But
it will not make any issue.
But if suppose 2 name nodes are down now, I mean that entire servers.
Entire server is down. Okay.
Two servers, 2 name node servers.
Okay, let's say. Okay, let us take. Okay, this server is down. Total server.
Yeah, total server.
This is also down.
Down.
Yeah. What will happen now?
The quorum will break and it won't allow
Of course,
the next node.
yes.
Even if we have another name node, it won't no use of running.
No use of another name node. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, see, then whose problem it is now? Is it okay Hadoop problem or your problem? It is your problem. Okay, both zookeepers are down. Okay, so if you feel that okay, you are entering into a situation of 2 zookeepers down, you keep 5 zookeepers. Understand? Very simple. Okay, Hadoop is saying that okay, if you have
I'm not saying Hadoop is denying that, but best practices. So I'm talking about.
So best practice. Okay, usually if you are running with 3 name nodes, better to go with 5 zookeepers. Got it.
So I mean, if name node and zookeepers are running on the same thing, same
nodes, same
then
machines,
we have to go with the 5 zookeepers.
5 zookeepers.
Then quorum will not spoil.
Quorum will not spoil actually. Okay, but okay, real-time servers. Okay, entire server going down is very rare scenarios, right?
Yeah, that's true. Actually, in my organization, we deployed the new cluster with, I mean, to test it on Azure. So we take the limited resource and in a small cluster, what we are doing in the same way we are doing. So because every Saturday weekends they used to shut down the servers. So instead of shutdowning all the servers, they will shut down these name node and zookeeper services both. During the times we will get more tickets on this. So because the cluster is not accessible, even though they will try to launch on the 3rd name node. So, but at the time they will say it is not reachable. So
not reachable because quorum is not there, right?
Yeah, quorum is not there. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so in real time expanding a cluster means like expanding worker nodes. Okay, not okay every time you expand master nodes. Okay, rarely you expand master nodes. Clear? Okay, so that is the reason you have option for both service and add host. Adding host means adding a server. Add service means adding a service. Clear? Okay, then you know what is start. What is start? If you click on start, it will start entire cluster. Okay, stop. What does it mean? It will stop entire cluster. Stop entire cluster means all the services. Okay, it will stop. Rolling restart. What do you mean of rolling restart, guys?
It will restart name nodes one after the one.
Okay, so okay, let us take in this scenario, guys. Okay, let's say I made some configuration changes. I want to restart both the name nodes. Okay, if I restart both the name nodes at the same time, what will happen?
Downtime.
So both name nodes will not be available. Okay, so it is a problem actually to users. Instead of that one, okay, if I go with rolling restart, it means okay, it will start one name node first. Okay, if that is completed, then it will restart first name node. If the first name node is back, then it will restart second name node. Okay, so that okay, at any point of time, at least one name node will be available, so that users will not face any issues. That is called rolling restart. Okay, so if in rolling restart, you can select okay, what options you want. Okay, so if you want, okay, so let's say rolling restart. Okay, I want to do the rolling restart only for zookeeper only. Okay, just okay, batch size. You can select okay, how many you want to restart at a time. I'm saying one by one. Okay, so click on rolling restart. When I do this one, what it is doing? Okay, so workers only, right? We selected. Okay, so rolling restart. That's the reason. Okay, it's a problem. Okay, so rolling restart and zookeeper. See now, zookeeper is a I selected worker. Okay, so is it taking? You select a non-worker, then it will work. See now. Now tell me, zookeeper is a worker or a non-worker? Non-worker means master.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now you see in the rolling restart, what it is doing? First, it is restarting server 1, zookeeper 1. Once this is done, then only it will go to second zookeeper. Then only it will go to third zookeeper. Understand? It is not restarting all together at a time. That is rolling restart. You understood?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. See, first one is done. Now it is running the second one. Okay. Then it will run third one. One after other it will run. Okay. That is rolling restart. Okay. So now, okay, deploy client configuration. What do you mean of deploy client configuration, guys? So let's say, okay, in case of Apache Hadoop, let's say there is a configuration item you changed. Then what you will do? So in the first machine, okay, you made the configuration changes. Then what you will do? You will push the modified configuration file to all other nodes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So the deploy client configuration is nothing but, okay, pushing the modified configuration files to all other nodes. Okay. So deploy client configuration will do a step of this one. This is the step, copy XML files to other nodes. So you should understand, okay, each and every step, guys. Okay, when I'm using this option in the backend, okay, which command it is using. So tomorrow, if UI is not there, okay, if there is a requirement to do deploy client configuration, what commands I should use? So this is what, okay, you should understand. Got it? So deploy client configuration will deploy the modified configuration files to all other nodes. That's what deploy client configuration will do. Okay. Then upgrade cluster. What do you mean of upgrade cluster? So now what is the version of, okay, Cloudera we are using? 6.1.1. Okay. I want to upgrade to 6.2 or 6.3. What I should do? Okay. I should use upgrade cluster option. Okay. But however, okay, I will, okay. So however, okay, we have a separate session to upgrade the cluster. I will show you how to upgrade the cluster also. Okay. Practically, I will show you how to upgrade a cluster from lower version to higher version. Okay. So I'm not showing upgrade cluster option now. Okay. I will explain this option when
from where it means from where to where, Anna?
Sorry.
From which level to where, like which level we can do?
Which level means?
I mean, like upgrade of the cluster from one which variant to the which variant we can do. Means like, okay, there will be certain limits, right?
Yes. Okay. So let's say, okay, now it is 6.1. Okay.
Yeah.
So from 6.1, okay, to which version I can upgrade? Okay, if you want to know, so you need to check, okay, Cloudera compatibility matrix actually. Okay, so Cloudera will tell you. Okay, see, okay, now from 6.1, can I directly go to 7.5? I may not go.
Yeah.
Yes,
that's the reason I'm asking. Okay.
Yeah, that's what, okay, I may not go. Okay, so who will tell that? Okay, there is a website here actually, Cloudera website. Inside Cloudera website, they will tell. So from 6.1, which version you can go? You can go to 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, up to 6.4 you can go. Again, going to 6.5, again, okay, first you need to come to 6.3 or 6.4, then you need to go to 6.5, like that. Got it? So that is upgrade cluster. Okay. So what is this refresh cluster? Have you ever seen, okay, refresh nodes command?
Yes.
While commission.
Commissioning and decommissioning.
Yes.
Okay. So it is the same thing, guys. Refresh cluster. Okay. So when you click on refresh cluster in the backend, what command it will execute? -refresh nodes. That command. Okay. So then refresh dynamic service pools. You don't know what is this dynamic service pools. Okay. Leave it. I will explain. Okay. I'll explain during performance tuning. Okay. Inspect host in the cluster. What this command will do? You've already seen. When you click on this one, it will check all the hosts and it will give you a result saying that, okay, whether there are any discrepancies. Okay, so whether there are any discrepancies. So it is checking each and every host, okay, and it is checking for all the, so show host inspector result. Okay, so now this will show this report. Okay, so now which version? Okay, tomorrow, okay, if you want to know which version of Spark it is running, which version of Woozy it is running, which version of Kafka it is running, okay, all those things you can see here. Understand? Okay, see, Cloudera manager version is 6.1, CDH version is 6.1.1. Okay, but inside CDH, okay, so we have Impala separate version, Hue separate version, Catalog separate, Hive separate version, like this actually. Understood? Are any questions? So this is result actually. Okay, so fine, close it. Then what next? Okay, enable Kerberos. Okay, what is Kerberos here? Okay, Kerberos is kind of a security mechanism on top of your cluster. Okay, so I will touch. Okay, what is I will show you how to enable Kerberos option when I am teaching you security part. Okay, delete Kerberos credentials. This also I will explain when I'm teaching you Kerberos part. Okay, so then set up SDFS data at rest encryption. Okay, what is this one? Data at rest encryption. This is also something related to security. How you enable encryption on your SDFS data. That is enabling and setting up SDFS data at rest encryption. Okay, so I will show you that also. Okay, then view client configuration URLs. What is this client configuration URLs? Click on this one and you can download this one. Okay, SDFS configuration files. If you download SDFS configuration file, what and all you will have inside the SDFS configuration files? You will have, okay, core site XML, Hadoop env.sh, okay, SDFS site XML. So even the topology.map, okay, topology.py. Okay, see, all these are, okay, which we know clearly. You know what is core site XML. Okay, if you open core site XML, you will have, okay, so what is my cluster name? Okay, so cluster name. Okay, what is the trash interval? Okay, then, okay, what is the so these are the options, okay, which we already used actually. Okay, and if you see what is SDFS site XML, okay, so you open SDFS site XML, this will tell, okay, what are the name services, okay, what is the zookeeper quorum, okay, how many name nodes we have, okay, what is the first name node IP address, second name node IP address, okay, so what is the port number they are running, 9870. Okay, so like this. Okay, so the configuration files, if you want to download, you can use this option actually. Okay, download client configuration files. Okay, so rename a cluster, you already know. Okay, so here the cluster name is my development cluster. Okay, so I want to rename it to a different name, you can rename it to different name if you don't like this name. Okay, so then that is rename cluster. Enter maintenance mode. What is maintenance mode, guys? What
Where
is
we
maintenance
can,
mode? Okay,
where we can,
let us take this scenario. Usually when a service is stopped, okay, or when a service is down, okay, so I told that Cloudera manager will send a mail to people, different people. Okay, so we need to define, okay, if name node is down, who and all should receive a mail? If data node is down, who and all should receive a mail? Those mail things, alerts, okay, we need to set up in the Cloudera manager UI. I will show you where to set up all those things, okay, in the later stages. Okay, so you need to set up the alerts actually. Okay, so now name node is down. Now name node is down. Okay, let's say name node is a critical service. Okay, even, okay, team members should receive a mail, manager also should receive a mail. Think like this. Okay, okay, but there are some services, okay, majorly name node service. Okay, if name node service is down, okay, we take it like a very serious issue. Okay, and okay, we send the mail alert to top management also. Okay, so but now, okay, so there is a requirement for you to kill the name node now, wantedly. Okay, if wantedly, if you kill a name node, what will happen? Immediately Cloudera manager will think that name node is not running and it will send a mail to all the management. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so now, but okay, you are killing name node because, okay, because you are doing some maintenance activity. Yes or no? Okay, so when you are, as per, okay, when you are doing your maintenance activity, as part of your maintenance activity, you need to kill your name node. Okay, just imagine. Okay, you need to kill your name node. Let's say you killed your name node. Immediately, what Cloudera manager has done? It has sent a mail to all the top people. Now top people will be scared. Hey, what happened? Why name node is done? Everybody will call you. So in our environment, okay, if name node is down, that will go to a mail will be triggered to almost 200 plus people.
200 plus people.
Plus people, yes. Okay, so now everybody will start pinging us. Okay, why, what happened on name node? What happened on name node? Yes or no? Okay, so when you know that, okay, you want to stop something, okay, and you, for the as part of maintenance activity, first, okay, you put your cluster into maintenance mode. When you put your cluster into maintenance mode, okay, one thing is that, okay, your Cloudera manager will understand that, okay, somebody is doing wantedly something. Okay, so I should not send any mail alerts. you are putting your cluster into maintenance mode, it means okay, you are disabling sending mail alerts to people actually. Understood? In real time, if you are doing any maintenance activity, first you need to put your cluster into maintenance mode and okay, do the okay. After putting maintenance mode, if you kill name node also, it will not send any mail alert. Got it? Okay. So then there won't be any panic. Then okay, you will not receive any mails or messages. Hey, why name node is down and all. Okay. So your management will not even know that name node is down. Yes or no? So once your activity is completed, then okay. So until okay, your name node is your cluster is in maintenance mode. Okay, you will see this symbol here. Okay. But okay, once it is done, then say exit maintenance mode. That's it. The name itself is saying okay. See here, exit maintenance mode. What it is saying? If the see alerts and for services and roles in the cluster will no longer be suppressed okay, once it is out of maintenance mode. Okay, so enter maintenance mode means all the alerts okay, mails everything will be suppressed. It means okay, they will not be sent to the people actually.
So this means the monitoring and
monitoring your temporary stopping.
Stoppings.
Exactly. Monitoring and alerting you are temporarily stopping.
Can we put only single name node?
Of course, yes. Okay, I will show you. This is okay. See, whatever options you are seeing here, these are all cluster level of operations. Okay, so then I will show you the service level operations tomorrow. Okay, see, for service level also we have few things. Got it? Okay, so we'll stop it here. Okay, and okay, we will continue tomorrow.
Hello,
okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in real time, how the screen will appear, sir? We may get a dev cluster and production cluster also in the same screen.
Okay, I will talk about that tomorrow, sir. Is that fine? Huh? Is that fine? Because okay, I will explain that part. Okay, I will answer your question okay, when I'm explaining this option, add cluster.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay, and guys. Okay, so
the capacity, sir. That is a cloud manager database.